Welcome to AIvorys, where the future of business meets the power of AI. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your business is running you instead of the other way around? Like there's never enough time, resources, or energy to tackle everything on your plate? You're not alone. Running a business is tough, but what if I told you it doesn't have to be? Every business faces challenges. Whether it's repetitive tasks eating up time, inefficiencies slowing you down, or the struggle to scale without breaking the bank. At AIvorys, we believe AI isn't just a tool, it's your partner in solving these pain points. Our AI agents are designed to handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Here's how we make it happen. Customer service. Our AI agents provide 24/7 support, answering queries instantly and freeing up your team to tackle bigger challenges. Data analysis. They sift through mountains of data, uncovering insights that drive smarter decisions. Workflow automation. From scheduling to inventory management, our agents streamline operations, saving you time and money. Whether you're in retail, healthcare, agriculture, or logistics, our AI solutions are made to fit your unique needs. For example, in agriculture, our agents help farmers optimize crop yields and manage resources efficiently. In retail, they personalize customer experiences, boosting sales and loyalty. The possibilities are endless. At AIvorys, we don't believe in replacing humans. We believe in empowering them. Our AI agents work alongside your team, enhancing their capabilities and making their jobs easier. It's not about robots taking over. It's about creating a smarter, more efficient future where humans and AI thrive together. The future of business is here, and it's intelligent, efficient, and scalable. At AIvorys, we're not just keeping up with the times, we're shaping them. Let us help you unlock the full potential of your business so you can grow, save, and succeed like never before. Ready to transform your business? Visit us at AIvorys.com and discover how our AI agents can revolutionize your workflows. Let's build the future together. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates on how AI can help you transform your business and help you reach new heights.